Let's find out how to connect each product of your NASE two-tool Nano Rework station. First, plug the power cord into the control unit. Then, insert the cable collectors into the control unit. Next, tighten the fixing screws using an Allen key. Now, leave one tool on its holder and plug it into port 1. Do the same with the second tool, but plug it into port 2. Then attach the tool cables to the respective cable collectors. Congratulations! You successfully connected your two-tool Nano Rework station.